Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use AI Writer on OnePlus phone or OnePlus tablet. AI Writer will help you write messages, emails and stuff like that, and in order to use it you'll need to open a certain app that supports it. Not all apps will support it, but for example Gmail will, as well as if you open a PDF file in files for some reason. But I haven't tested the files yet, so I'm not really sure if it's like it'll just write it based off the PDF file, or if it will simply write a document into files. I'll test it later. First, let's test the Gmail. So let's go to like the smart sidebar, which is on the right side, and if you don't have it, I'll show you later how to turn it on. If you slide it towards the center, you'll see AI Writer. Now you can describe the content you want to include in the email, or select check, enter the text to be checked, or rewrite the text and enter the text to be rewritten. I'll select the right option. Let's type in something like now I'd like to scroll down. You can set the tone to concise, detailed or polite. I'll set it polite. You can set just one. And you can see it creates it. And you can simply copy it and paste it somewhere. Right? And that's basically how it works. You can also rewrite it or change tone. If you click on rewrite, you can continue writing, shorten, elaborate, or polish. And it's not in Polish. Just kidding, I know what Polish means when rewriting. Let's open the files now. Let's see what it does here, because you can see I have a PDF file, and if I open the AI Writer, I don't really know like if it has any features connected with the PDF itself. So let's just try asking it for like, I don't know, describe the content of this PDF. Okay, so it doesn't work like that. Pretty disappointing. So you can just use it in apps that support it, but it doesn't seem like it matters if you use it in an app that supports it, because you still need to copy it though, and it isn't really aware of the content being displayed on the screen, so it cannot give you an answer based on what's on the screen. So I don't know why for example it doesn't work on the home screen. You can see there's no AI writing. Now if you want to enable that option, if you don't have it, go to accessibility and convenience in the settings, then go to smart sidebar, and now enable smart sidebar and smart function as well, and you'll have it somewhere. I have it here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.